Dear students, today I am going to explain the chapter The Master Artist by Carol Moore. Before beginning the chapter, let me tell you something about the author. She is known for her children's story books, which is published online. She writes and illustrates stories for the children. She is very famous among the children, and the children likes her stories too much. This is also an extract from her book, The Master Artist. The title itself signifies that we are going to deal with a person who was very good in arts, in fine arts. The story goes like this, that Sini LaBelle was a trained disciple artist under the famous artist Ambrogio Lorenzetti in Italy, and he himself was an honorable man who had believed that whatever his teacher had taught him, he must bring the best of his teachings. He became very famous in Italy, and everybody liked his style of painting, that was fresco painting. When he was about to retire, a man named Bartoli offered him to paint in his dining hall on the walls. In the beginning, LaBelle refused, but after being insisted by Bartoli, he took the job and told him that he would accept the job on his grounds, on his demands. Bartoli agreed and gave him all what he wanted. LaBelle started his work, and he wanted to paint according to his interest, and asked Bartoli not to disturb him during his work. Whenever he was asked that what was the condition of the painting, he answered that the work is in good progress. But after few months, Bartoli became impatient and insisted LaBelle to show his work. LaBelle pulled the curtain and exhibited his work. After looking that, Bartoli left the place in rage and in hurry. On his behavior, LaBelle was shocked. Why? Because he didn't understand what was the cause of his behavior. Now here, the author says that although LaBelle was right, the work of LaBelle was outstanding, he had painted his masterpiece, but LaBelle failed to understand the mood and the situation. LaBelle was ahead of his time. The style of painting, what he painted, was to be accepted after few decades, not at that time. That's why Bartoli didn't accept Labbé's work and went away, telling him all the odds. The author says that maybe the person is right at that time. Maybe that person is right in his work. He is perfect in his work. But if he fails to understand the mood and situation, that person is totally failure. It is a children's story, but it gives a very high moral that children must understand the situation and mood of the person, must understand the time, observe the time and act accordingly. Otherwise, the children may fail. In a very simple words, Carol Moore has explained, exhibited this moral to every child. Thank you and be blessed.